Welcome to jzgraphics. In this tutorial, you will learn how to make a clean and modern poster in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your car image and place. Adjust its size. Open Layer panel, select Background layer. And create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow my gradient settings. Create blank layer, go to the brush tool. Select lighter shade. And apply like this. Select all layer, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to the Euro style extended. Apply white color to it. Adjust the text settings. Adjust the text placement. Select Image layer, go to the rectangular marquee tool. And create a rectangle shape. And add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Drag it at the top of text, and delete its layer mask. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the text layer, press Ctrl+J. And drag it at the top. And open Blending Options. Set its fill opacity to 0. Add stroke to it with these settings. Also add inner glow to it. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a rectangle shape. Change its fill to none. And add white stroke to it. Increase its stroke weight. Select bottom layer. And type other text. Follow my text settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.